Hi guys, Kyung here, and I have a new kit to show today. I just thought I would pop on real quick and show it to you. This one I call Forest Through the Trees, because I thought that was kind of funny. So let me just flip through it real quick and I'll talk a little bit about it. So this kit was inspired by the nature journal that we did just recently in the Miss Paint-A-Lots group. So I got inspired to make a nature kit. It's 30 pages. It's listed in the shop now. So my sister helped me make this one, and she helps me make some of the kits, some of my kits. And she's always like, "Don't give me credit. I don't want credit. Blah blah blah." But you know, here's the thing. I think she deserves credit. So I'm going to start putting in my listings, you know, which kits that she helped collaborate with me on. She has done digital art since she was a kid. And once she learned that I was doing journal kits, she wanted to, like, you know, help contribute. So these ones are just like blank writing pages. And this is one of my favorites, this one. We have a like book page. We have this beautiful landscape kind of painting. We have this. This is a good like background collage kind of piece. Then we have a ledgers. So there's quite a few ledgers that come in this kit as well. And then some, this one goes with the blank pages, but yes, we have a blank page, more ledger, and then we get to the ephemera. So here are like journaling cards. I love this. I felt like this was like the people who lived in the forest. I don't know. We have an envelope and tickets and these cute stamps up here. Another envelope with some collage pieces, music covers, just some ephemera, some circles, some tabs, and some fussy cut animals. So there we go. Yes, Through the Forest. It's in the kit. The kit's in the shop now. It's running for $3. So that's all. I just wanted to show you guys my kit. So thanks for joining me. Bye.